In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and share two Google Calendars. First, make sure you're signed into the Google account that owns the calendar you want to share. Then, open Google Calendar in your web browser. This walkthrough is easiest on desktop, where all sharing options are visible in one place. On the left side of the screen, look for the section labeled My Calendars. If you don't see it right away, hover over the left panel or click the small arrow to expand it. Find the calendar you want to share in that list. Hover your mouse over its name to reveal the three-dot menu next to it. Click the three dots, then choose Settings and Sharing. This opens the settings page for that specific calendar. You're not changing your entire Google account here, just the sharing rules for this one calendar. Scroll to the section called Share with Specific People. This is where you control exactly who gets access and what they're allowed to do. Click Add People. In the box that appears, type the email address of the other Google account you want to connect with. Make sure you enter the correct address since the sharing invite will be sent there. Next, choose the permission level that fits your needs. See only free, busy hides all event details and simply shows when time is blocked or open. This is great for privacy while still avoiding conflicts. See all event details allows the other account to view event titles, locations, descriptions, and guests, but they can't change anything. Make changes to events hands over full editing control for existing events, perfect for teammates or family members who help manage your schedule. Pick carefully, and remember, you can change this later. Once you've set the permission, click Send. Google will email the invitation to the address you entered. Depending on the account and settings, they may need to accept the share. After that, your calendar will appear in their Google Calendar under Other Calendars or directly in their list. That's the complete process. If you're connecting two calendars so each one can see or manage the other, just apply these same steps from the Other Calendars account as well. Anytime you want to update or revoke access, return to Settings and Sharing for that calendar and adjust the permissions or remove the person. With this setup, you'll avoid double bookings, coordinate faster, and keep control over what others can see. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.